Crafting an animation video has never been easier. And creating 3D animation is notably challenging. It demands a profound understanding of complex software like Blender, Unreal, or Maya, and weeks of effort to produce a few minutes of 3D animation video. However, you can create stunning 3D live-action animation within a few minutes with the help of AI. Today, I will show you the whole process step by step. Don't skip any parts. Let's dive in. Today we will use Crikey AI for creating 3D animation. It's an AI-based online animation maker tool. This is their animation editor tool. Next, it text to animation maker tool. With this tool, you can create animation videos from text prompts. After that, it's video to animation converter tool. Here you can convert any live-action video to an animation video. Then there are character design tools. Here you can create your own anime character. Let's start our journey with a character design. Click on Ready Player Me Character Maker. Before starting, you have to create a free account on Crikey AI. After creating an account, you will get 34 free credits. Okay, let's create our first character. First, choose body type. I will create a female character, so I am selecting feminine. Here you can upload your own image. But I will go with a pre-built character, so I am skipping this part. You can upload your own image or can generate a character with an AI image generator. Now choose a face type. You can customize your character. Let's do some customization. After customization, click on the next button to save your character. Alright, we have created a character successfully. Let's try the AI animation editor. It's a timeline-based animation editor and very easy to use. On the left of the editor page, you will find some tools. First, it's animation tool. With this tool, you can change the action of your character. After selecting an action, you have to drag and drop the action on this timeline. Suppose I am selecting karate kick. You can see the result. The next tool is the camera tool. You can change the view with this tool. You will find more than 15 camera angles here. Even you can edit every camera angle. Alright, the next one is the environment creator. With this tool, you can change the environment of your video. If you want to add a custom background, then you can choose a green screen also. After that, it is the light tool. You can change the light of your video. Next, it's a script generator. You can create dialogue or narration with this tool. Give a name to your script, then give a detailed prompt. If your story needs narration, then turn on the narration option and then click on the generator button. If you don't like the script, you can edit the script also. Alright, our next tool is the audio tool. With this tool, you can generate audio from your script. If you have multiple scripts, then select the script. After that, select the character. Select your language, you can select the accent. At last, select character sex. After all is set, you will get a quick preview of your audio.
Hello, this is my voice.
Now click on Generate button. Click on the audio file to add the audio file to the timeline. As you can see, the audio has been added to the timeline. Alright, let's move to the next tool. It's the expression tool. Here are a vast number of expressions available here. Let's try some expressions. I am selecting 2 expressions. Now I am deleting idle expressions. And then adjust the expression position. Crikey AI allows the blending of the expression also. Not only the expression, but you can blend all other tools also. Our next tool is the hand gesture tool. With this tool, you can change the hand gesture. Next, this is the color tool. You can change the color of the environment with this tool. And finally, it's the character tool. With this tool, we can change the animation character. The first 4 character is Crikey AI default character and the last one is our generated character. Let's select our designed character. Let's have a look at our video.
Hello friends, welcome to today's video. If you're enjoying this content,
Now I will add some elements and increase the video length. After completing the editing, you can download it as a rig, but it's a premium feature. Click on the record button to render the video. After rendering, click on the download button to download the video. In this way, you can create a full-length 3D animation movie with Crikey AI. If you want a detailed video on editing and how to create a full-length 3D animation movie, let me know in the comment section. I will make another video on it. Let's enjoy our first video.
friends, welcome to today's video. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us.
Alright, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience of 3D animation creation. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!